All right, friends, let's talk about cat life. My cat Mo, she couldn't care less about the silicone litter mat. To her, that's just another surface to strut across like a queen. But me, I love it. Why? Because this thing actually traps litter. Those little raised points knock the crumbs right off her paws, and the deep grooves keep it from ending up all over my floor. The silicone is tough, waterproof, and it doesn't stink, even after a week of use. If Mo has a little oops moment next to the box, the mat keeps it from soaking through. Clean up? Easy. Just fold, pour the cleaning stuff back in, rinse, you're done. Pros, floor stays clean, no smell, easy to wash. Cons, honestly, I just wish it came in a bigger size for multi-cat chaos. So yeah, Mo couldn't care less, but I'm giving it 5 stars. My floor is finally winning the battle against litter.